Welcome back, adventurers! Today, we're diving into the ultimate solution for hassle-free paddleboard inflation, the OutdoorMaster Shark High-Pressure Sup Pump. If you're searching for the best electric sup pump on the market, look no further. Let's explore why this pump is a game-changer for water sports enthusiasts. First off, what sets the OutdoorMaster Shark apart? It's the one and only SUP electric air pump equipped with an active cooling system, ensuring consistent performance even during extended use. With the capability to reach up to 20 psi, this pump can handle inflating 3 boards in a row, perfect for group outings or solo adventures. But speed and power are nothing without efficiency. That's where the Shark's dual-stage inflation system shines. The first stage maximizes speed at 350 liters per minute, while the second stage ramps up pressure at 70 liters per minute. Plus, the auto-off function kicks in once your desired pressure is reached, preventing overinflation and saving you time and effort. Whether you're at home or on the road, the Shark's got you covered. Its 12 volts DC car connector means you can power up wherever your adventures take you. And when it's time to pack up, the deflation function makes quick work of reducing your inflatables to a compact size for easy storage. No guesswork here. The Shark features a digital display for easy pressure monitoring and adjustment. Say goodbye to manual pumping and hello to effortless inflation. And let's talk accessories. The Shark comes with a full set of nozzles to fit most high-pressure inflatables, from paddleboards to kayaks to airbeds. It's a one-stop solution for all your inflating needs. So there you have it, adventurers, the OutdoorMaster Shark High-Pressure Sup Pump. With its unparalleled performance, versatility, and ease of use, it's truly the best electric sup pump for paddleboards on the market. Don't let inflation slow you down. Gear up with the Shark and dive into your next aquatic adventure.